Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Essentials. Today, I'm excited to show you exactly how I've been making over $2,000 a week selling digital products. This method is perfect for beginners and requires minimal upfront investment. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what digital products actually are. Essentially, they're intangible assets you can sell repeatedly without ever having to restock. We're talking about things like ebooks, online courses, software, templates, and more. The best part? Once you've created your product, your ongoing costs are minimal. Now, you might be wondering, why should I focus on digital products? Well, there are several compelling reasons. For starters, the overhead is incredibly low. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping costs. Plus, the profit margins are often sky-high, sometimes even 70% or more. And let's not forget about the passive income potential. You can literally earn money while you sleep. It's also highly scalable, meaning you can sell to an unlimited number of customers. And the cherry on top? You can run this business from anywhere in the world. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first step in your digital product journey is choosing your niche. You'll want to research trending topics and align them with your passions. Some profitable niches include personal finance, health and wellness, self-improvement, and technology skills. The key here is finding a balance between what's popular and what you're knowledgeable about. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to identify your product. Based on your chosen area, you might decide to create an ebook, an online course, printables or templates, software or an app, or even membership site content. If you're just starting out, I recommend beginning with something manageable like an ebook or a set of templates. You can always expand your product line later as you gain more experience. Now comes the fun part, creating your product. Start by researching your topic thoroughly. You want to become an expert in your field. Then, outline your content to create a clear structure. As you're developing your material, focus on providing real value to your customers. Don't forget about the presentation. Design an attractive cover or interface because first impressions really do matter. Before you finalize anything, get some feedback from friends or beta testers, and use their input to refine and polish your product. With your product ready, it's time to set up your sales funnel. Choose a platform to sell from. Popular options include Gumroad, Skillshare, or even your own website. Create a compelling sales page that highlights the benefits of your product and uses persuasive copy. If you're interested in this, check out the guides on our website. Make sure you have secure payment processing set up to make buying easy and safe for your customers. It's also a good idea to implement an email marketing system for follow-ups and future promotions. Pricing your product can be tricky, but here's what I've learned. Start by researching competitor pricing to know the market rate. Consider your target audience and what they can afford. It's often good to start with a competitive price. You can always adjust later. Consider offering tiered pricing or bundles to cater to different customer needs. And don't forget about launch specials or early bird pricing to generate those initial sales. Now, let's talk marketing. This is crucial for getting your product in front of potential customers. Leverage social media to build a following and engage regularly with your audience. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to showcase your expertise. Email marketing is also incredibly powerful for nurturing leads and making sales. You might want to consider paid advertising on platforms like Facebook or Google Ads. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can help you tap into their audience. And don't forget about setting up an affiliate program to let others promote your product for a commission. As you start making sales, it's important to analyze and optimize your business. Track your sales and traffic using analytics tools. Gather customer feedback through surveys or direct outreach. Use this information to continuously improve your product. Don't be afraid to test different marketing strategies to find what works best for you. And always keep an eye on industry trends to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, success in the digital product world doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, persistent, and always focus on providing value to your customers. With dedication and the right strategy, you too can build a successful digital product business that generates thousands per week. Before I wrap up, I want to share a quick tip. If you're looking to create professional ebooks quickly, check out Scribble in the description below. It's a tool I've found helpful for streamlining the ebook creation process. It might save you some time as you get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment if you have any questions or share your own digital product experiences. See you in the next video.